mother-in-law needs a railing.
We're using a composite railing right about there. This plate here is what attaches the 4x4 to the cement. So put that down there and we drill our holes. I'm using a corded hammer drill, but also wearing earplugs. It's pretty loud. Then we use these cement screws. Don't forget the trim piece. I mounted the first post down below the steps so I could brace it with brackets and keep it more steady. So it's higher than the post on top of the steps, which meant I had to buy a 8-foot long jacket and cut it down. It should come up about a half an inch higher than your post. To attach the railing to the post, we use these end caps that go on the railing on the ends, and it uses what is called a dovetail. You attach the dovetail to the post, and then you just slide that right on top. Pretty cool. The railing that we chose, the brand is Bella Premier. For some reason, the screws they supply are square bits. So I had to get a square drill bit to put them in. The railing kit gives you this guide to see where to put the holes and the bottom rail. I was supposed to do that before I put this one in. But anyway, just for your information. Watch your step. Hopefully you can just slide on like these instructions say. Better.
All right, mine's good.
Up.
Yes.
Hallelujah.
Hey.
All right. This post also needs a bracket to make it more steady. There are also 4 screws, 2 here and 2 there, to keep the railing from going up or back and forth. Help secure it better. Okay, it's time for the final step of the railing project. Putting the end caps on. Now they give you some cement. Just got to put that on the lips all the way around.